Mr. Organic, the pure one. Goats. Believe in yourself like you believe in God. That's why
Have no fear. Mr. Organic is here. Dun, dun. Al Green without the grits on his goddamn chest. You got to know your research and know that. Spin around, boom. Shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation. Of course. G Squizzle. Hey, G Squad. What up, man? I see y'all. Hey, and everybody in the Gargoyle gang. What the hell is this? This motherfucker stupid. Y'all kept talking about this joint. This is crazy, man. Shout out to this car, man. These joints cost a lot of money. Takes a whole lot of dedication to get them looking like that. Legendary. See how that joint drop too, so you know it's a motherfucking goddamn low rider, big drop top. But anyway, step with my left foot, boom, proceed to show the whips, bam. Venus and Serena. Okay, any, mini, money, mo, which Williams sister should I roll? Man, come on, man. Serena, awaken now, 2 foot on the wall. Of course. Woo! Got something in store for you later. Time to make moves right now. 3 of them, y'all. Some of y'all hate it, some of y'all love it. It don't matter. That's how I do what I do. All right. So now we back at Serena. Like I said, man, when you're blessed to use your own creativity the way you want to, it gives you pure freedom. So some people, you hear that, some people like the tire stickers, some people don't. Some people like the rap, some people don't. But guess what? I do. So I don't give a fuck what somebody do or don't like. That's the blessing of being organic. So live by those rules, people. Don't worry about other people's thoughts and opinions, especially when you ain't ask them. Remember that, man. We gonna do it our way until our dying day. You hear me? We gonna do it our way until, man, get the light on so you can see the diesel list. Cause I was in the gym today. Make sure that, man, make sure that shoulder looking atrocious. Is it? Like more than halitosis, who has? But anyway, man, I'm on the way to the furniture store. I gotta get some more trinkets and knickknacks for the crib. There's a couple statues I like and this big super duper size mirror that I like. That I gotta get. I think it's like the biggest mirror they got, and I want that joint, man. You know, I'm gonna do it big just like you should. So I'm gonna go check out those pieces. Also, they got some crazy like different sculptures and stuff. Like, you know, I'm into all the art and all type of different decor. So we ain't done building the crib up yet, so stay tuned for that. So we're gonna proceed to the furniture stores and check out all the greatness, man. Then next vlog coming up, we got something special. Victory Like Venus. So stay tuned, man. It's a long day and it's Mr. Organic way. Keep it pure, keep it positive, keep it organic from the goddamn seed. Swipity swipe, swipe right. If you ever at Circa, man, make sure you go to Andrew's on the call. Shout out to him. So all right, let me put this GPS in here because I don't know where the hell I'm going. But welcome to LA, man. It's a sunny day. I heard it's snowing, raining, and all type of misery in Minnesota right now. That's okay, people. It'll get better soon. You know what I'm saying? In the meantime, let's watch my vlogs and get it, you know, motivated, intimidated. This motherfucker 90-something. Feel like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Gotta pay the most respect when you're on Crenshaw. Even though this ain't all the way in the part where, you know, Nip from, but, you know, you just see that Crenshaw, you just think of him, man. Salute to him for laying that blueprint, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep running these laps, man. Shout out to Big Nip, man. One of them guys. Purified seed planter. There's all these palm trees. That's that California shit right there. You just see them palm trees lined up like that. You see that good little fender. A Super Serena sitting up all perked up. Alright, so here are the furniture stores. That's the one that Slim got all this shit from right there, Mandani. What is a dope store? You know what I'm saying? This store over here got all the cool stuff over here, crazy stuff. So I'm gonna check them both out. I'm gonna come here first and get the sculptures and stuff like that. Let me see. Let me pull up in here. Now you're gonna see some legendary right off the rip. Look at that. See that? Look at that horse. That's dope. Look at that big dog. That's ferocious. You can actually buy those, man. You had that in the crib looking crazy, huh? I like that. So this is my type of speed. If you see my car, it's how I move. So I'm finna check them out real quick. Hear the music. Come on, man. But you see Super Serena looking super. Ooh wee. Now come on, man. Look at that horse. I should get that joint put in the crib, huh? That joint is hard. That dog super hard. Let's see what they got for me, man. 3 of them. That joint stupid. I like this gorilla. He's ferocious. I might gotta get him. Aye. I ain't find nothing. I like this joint here. How much is this one from here? Shoosh, that's hard. You do that 3 years, a crazy dude. Damn. I like that though. I might gotta do it. Yeah, I might gotta do that. For the table. Ooh. Check him out, Big Brutus.
This black one, oh my God, I call him Brutus. His name is actually Toto.
Toto.
He's Brutus.
Let me see what Toto hitting for, man. Oh, just for $1,000, that's it? Okay.
I know, and I just told a client of mine who
That's
some
crazy.
kind of rock star guy who lives up in Mount Olympus. He was
Right.
going to measure for this.
Yeah.
He was going to put it by his infinity pool outside. They decided against it.
Right.
But I think he's awesome.
Nah, he's super awesome. I like this Panther
And he
too.
measures like 6 feet by 6 feet, so
Right.
you know, almost a square space.
Right, slide right in.
Indoor or outdoor with him.
Whatever you want to with him. I saw the gold when you walked in. This is crazy
That's a
too.
multicolored horse.
Boom.
I feel like Jason Pollock, that artist, just took paint.
Took advantage of it.
On there.
Yeah, this is super
Fun.
legend. It is super.
Unusual.
Dripped up. It matches my car.
Exactly.
It definitely does. That's crazy. That's legendary. Reasonable, especially for the
Artwork.
legendariness of it. Yeah, I like that. That's super dope. Boom. Go with the big deer. I'ma call it the goat. Big goat. You know, cause that's me. I'm the goat, greatest of all time. Then the big gorilla, of course. You know, we real ferocious. You gotta go with that. I gotta go with the big gorilla. Look how big he is. Big, ferocious dude. Gotta get him. I got that guy. And then we got to go with the panther sitting right there across. You know what I'm saying? Like the TV stand. Boom. Sitting up. And the panther there blinged on the neck type. Yeah, I like that. That's what I'm picking so far. See what else. You know what I'm saying? See what else. So I just added this guy, you know, for the table in the front room, and then boom, you can put your jewelry and stuff in there. I like that. That's hard. Gotta get that, man. Gotta get that, man. Cause yeah, we go get that, huh? We gotta get that. That's a very big. Yeah, them real diamonds. We got that straight from. Oh yeah, quit being so nosy. Yeah, I mean, you gotta believe because I look like I got it. You know, you gotta fake it to make it sometimes. Yeah. So boom, get these guys together. Cause I'm gonna get one. Gotta get both. Got to do it. Yeah, it'd be all right. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. That's why I got the case. Boom, boom. The panther, the gorilla, the boot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We stacking it up now. We stacking it up. I like that guy. Boom. What about Big Brutus? Shit, nope. Got Deborah here. She gonna total me up. You know, people don't know about investing in yourself and marketing yourself and branding yourself. It costs money. You know, and you come in your house, you want it to be like motivation, inspiration, not only for others but yourself. So you go in your house, you like, look at what I made, look at what I'm living, look how I'm living. So when others see it too, if they ain't got it, they could be inspired.
And it's a reflection of you, your personality,
no question.
Your taste.
Yes.
Else would do the look you're putting together.
No, I'm putting together something crazy.
I've been doing design for 30 years, and I tell people it's honestly true. You can hire 5 different designers. You can get 5
different looks.
Ideas,
yeah.
color schemes.
everything.
suggestion,
Right.
all of that. But you have to love it, and you're the one living with
Right.
the furniture. I've never crammed anything down anybody's throat that said,
Nope.
oh no, you have to do this piece because you hired me to do your
Right.
and you have to do this piece. No.
No.
I listen to the clients, make them happy. They're the ones living it.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
So important.
Yeah, if you ever come to Care, you ever come to, what's the other store called? There's Care and also what else?
This is Carre. It's in
Carre, okay. Carre.
Rapport International.
Rapport International. So this is Carre, extra little international. All the stuff will come overseas, right?
From Germany.
From Germany, man. So don't think this is regular stuff. This is all from Germany.
And you can't find this stuff anywhere
No.
in the United States.
This is the only store that is the first one, right? Come on now. So of course I came here. And it just opened too, right? Right. It's organic. It's the it just opened not too long ago too, right?
3-4 weeks.
Come on now. Perfect timing. Timing is everything. I just moved here in
I
1 week.
believe in that.
Me too. So it's perfect. And this is all the way my style, all these crazy sculptures, and it's just me. So I'm glad I came
To be
here.
honest with you, I bring older couples in here.
Right.
Turn around, go right
They
out.
ain't used to
Not
it.
for them.
Yeah.
They don't want to look.
Yeah, they don't understand. I love it. This is totally me. Soon as I saw that big dog out front, that horse, this is my style. And now I'm here, now I'm buying everything I want. I'm not holding back. Whatever I want, I'm getting. That's how you gotta live life. You're gonna die anyway, so why not die doing what you wanna do, how you wanna do it, right?
And you live in your house.
Right.
Men especially will drop 100 grand plus for a car.
Right. Right.
Whatever. You don't live in your car.
Right. Yes.
Do your place where you're gonna enjoy it. You come home at the end of the day.
Right.
Friends come over. Oh my God.
Yeah. Mouth drop, especially you get a nice young lady coming in. She see that thing, ooh, she gonna be really susceptible to a real guy. You know what I mean? She gonna kiss that nigga a little quicker. I got to get her together. So I'm getting everything, baby. You want the dog in there?
Style.
Yeah, love me, baby. I got big style coming in. Got to from the beginning. So yeah, we getting all that stuff. We ain't playing.
Where'd you move from?
From Minneapolis.
You're from Minneapolis?
Yeah.
Girl.
Okay, yeah, I'm originally from San Diego, but I lived in Minneapolis for the last 13 years. Yeah, so I just moved out here last week. Yep, but this YouTube stuff did very well for me. So.
I know you're happy to get out of that. What?
Oh, for sure, right on time too. Like, come on now, what a blessing. Oh, it was coming. It just snowed like before I left. All right, so let's recap everything.
Our damage right now out the door.
Okay, okay, that's out the door. Okay, now pennies. I might want to add something else to them. Okay, let me see. So I got this guy here.
Yeah.
I got this panther. Boom. Had to get him. Had to get the box.
Got Mr. Gorilla.
We got Big Gorilla, man, sitting big. He gonna be in the corner. Yeah, we got the goat. We got the golden goat.
And then
Bang.
the jewelry box.
Got the jewelry box. Yep, and the painting.
Crystal.
Got this guy. Yep. And then the centerpiece, of course, once you walk in, you want the feng shui to be all the way together. You know, bang. Got the big guy, the big goat, of course. Got the dog. Done get him. So got this guy, Bean. Had to do it. And who is that? 20. I might want to, let me see, man. Let's see what else. I might want something else to add to the greatness, man. I'll get back to y'all. There you go. Show them that knot. Yeah. We go get and take care of, man. Buying the furniture, man. That boy crazy living life. Hope this beat ain't goddamn demonetized. People listen up though. Yeah, just got all the items, man. We ain't playing with living life in this purest form. I like this seat too, by the way. So it's only right. You gotta take a picture of it. Look at it, that's what it's there for. I really gotta get this damn horse.
Check out the horse, how it transitions to your car.
Is you looking dead at it?
Oh my God.
Why is standing at my damn car? I know, right? Really though. That is a legendary thing. We're in the warehouse, man, with Joe. Damn, this the whole warehouse come together like this?
You know it.
That's crazy.
Right?
Y'all not playing no games here. Get that, go ahead, get that, Deborah. I need to get this damn horse. I want this damn dog too. I want all this. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, we got it together, man. Everything should be delivered Friday. Shout out to Deborah. These people are real nice and cool. Got me together. Legendary. My man Joe up there. He cool. This damn horse is legendary though. He's super big Brutus. So she gonna come and take a picture. And listen, people, like I say, man, my crib, I want it to be like inspiration, motivation every time I walk in, every time y'all see it. So I'm going crazy with everything I get and everything I'm doing. So we gonna live life, man. I want my shit to be like in a museum. You walk in my shit, I want you to be mesmerized. Me too, so we can go harder. We ain't gonna be settled with what we have now. We blessed, but we want more and more and more. That's what it's all about, going after new goals. I'll let Deborah get this picture. Gotta get the picture, Deb. Look at that. Ooh, the horse. Put the horse, take him down there, put him down there by it. You know what I'm saying? How much is that horse?
It's $34.95.
That's it? Pennies. I wonder if that could really fit in my crib though.
$35.98.
Okay. Ooh.
Say that's a $20,000 art.
We go always gas it up. Yeah, we go take it all the way to the next level, baby. Let me take this picture for doing it, man. We got a big, you know what I'm saying, shout out to Rampart International Furniture. Got me together. Look at that, man. Come on, man. Perfect symmetry, man. Finna get this nice picture. We going. There you go. She want to take a picture with that thing walking down smooth. Yeah. Yeah, we gonna take that picture. You got to. It's only right. Uh-huh. Keep it all the way organic. Yeah, I drove those 2 guys on there too.
That is so cool.
Uh-huh. You love it? Me too.
And the red inside.
Oh, open it up. Yeah, you saw that, didn't you? You got the, okay. Oh, it gotta be the interior. It got to be red. It's only right. You like that? Yep, yep. I got the new Corvette coming too, when it dropped. All that, and it's all like, it's like stories of my life. Like, this is my slogan: from the seed to the root, to the tree to the fruit, keep it organic. That just be yourself, be real always, from beginning to the end. It's like all stories of my life in here too, so it's more than just random. Yeah, it is. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I gotta bring my car in one day, but
Yeah.
next time you come back.
For sure.
I have the white GT.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Mercedes?
Yes.
Oh yeah, those are with the big nose in the front.
Yeah.
I love that. That's a good car.
I know.
I like it.
snatched a little bit already because I don't know the.
Uh-huh. You hit the blue group. Right. It happens. I like that car though. It's a super nice car.
You think my car will be this?
Yeah.
Why not? Why not? How about the Bentley? You think Bentley?
How about the? Thank you, brother. You just hated on me, but it's cool, man. Get your ass out of here. Go back to work, man. We don't need your opinion. No, I'm saying. Thank you, man. Don't try to back. You try to come back and give me love. I appreciate it. Right. So it's crazy. It goes together as opposed to. Oh yeah, gold. I didn't even wear on my jewelry. I was trying to be. I could have came in like Mr. T, but I was being cordial today. Next time we'll come in, you know, big Mr. T chains on and everything.
Sunday, I bring my baby.
Sunday? Okay, we can get a little photo shoot together on Sunday.
Yes, I bring Sunday.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Not in the picture. You want to be next?
Oh, we're gonna get this picture. So now I'm all done. See, that's exactly what LA is about right there. That's exactly why I moved to LA right there. You know what I'm saying? All the nice people, they understand the hustle, understand the grind. That lady there was basically the owner of the store. Beautiful lady, taking pictures, she enjoyed the energy. So now I got a meeting with them and talking about a nice partnership with them, and that's what it's all about. See how it works in LA? Go out and go do something today, man. Don't be lazy. Go out and do something today, and you can progress, and you can add something to your lifestyle. This is crazy. Like, I came there just wanted to spend some money and just being myself, having a great conversation with these people. They end up, you know, might end up with a nice little business partnership that I know will, because that's my style, especially, you know, all the stuff I bought, and I spent money with them. So that's what it's all about, man. Get up and go do something with your life, man. Don't be hesitant. You're thinking to do something, do it. You know, I was hesitant to spend all that money on this furniture. I did it, and look what happened. Now I got practically a partnership with those, with one of the most legendary furniture stores in the world. Like, that's the first one they ever got in America right there. Understand that? So shout out to them, man. It's gonna be dope, man. Man, I'm blessed, man. You guys are too. Believe in yourself, work hard. Make sure your dreams become goals and goals become achievements. And gargle again. Gang stand for going after new goals. Never stop going, never stop growing. You hear me? 3 of them to count. I'm out of here, man. What a legendary day, man. That's right.